Hello everyone. Today here are some motivational thoughts by Mahatma Gandhi. You may never know what result come of your actions, but if you do nothing, there will be no results. See the good in people and help them. Live as if you were to die tomorrow. Learn as if you were to live forever. It is health that's real wealth and not piece of gold and silver. The best way to find yourself is to lose yourself in the service of others. To lose patience is to lose the battle. Strength does not come from physical capacity, it comes from an indomitable will. You must be the change you want to see in the world. Freedom is not worth having if it does not include the freedom to make mistakes. The future depends on what we do in the present. If I have the belief that I can do it, I shall surely acquire the capacity to do it, even if I may not have it at the beginning. To give pleasure to the single heart by a single act is better than 1,000 heads bowing in prayers. In a gentle way, you can shake the world. Thank you.